Hello, everybody. Okay, I was writing the post and I have decided to make a very short video just to do a demonstration here. Now, when we connect these dynamos the way they are supposed to be connected, which is ground, where it's marked ground and positive for the fields and for the brushes, and we get it either as a dynamo generator or as a motor, it will always spin on the same direction. Okay, and this is great for this project. Okay, this is a very good advantage. Now, there is a very simple method to know, and let me tell you, not all the dynamos according to automotive industry are the same rotation specs. They are different, so you need to check them. Some Europeans were positive ground, and some others, American cars, were all of them negative ground. But the point here is a simple way is attaching a voltmeter to it without applying any power to anybody, just with a magnetic reminiscence on the stators. It will mark millivolts, but it will mark either negative or positive. And supposing you don't have this arrow here, now when I turn it like this way, which is clockwise, according, if we look at it this way, it's a clockwise direction, it'll mark me a positive voltage sign, number, value. Now if I keep going, it'll keep marking. Now if I go the other way, automatically marks me a negative sign. It will mark me negative, and that is because I'm reversing the rotation and I'm changing everything in the system the way it's supposed to work in a positive way. Now if I and I'm going to turn this off and disconnect it from here, I don't need the meter. While I'm going to power the fields just a little bit, around 2 volts and 1.5 amps, and I'm gonna turn this monster here to power the armature. Okay, and you see, so that means that when I'm using it as a motor, it rotates the same direction as when I'm using it as a generator. And this is a great, I'll repeat it again, this is a great advantage for our machine. Now, this is the Lagrange device is a machine that we are not going to be using the mechanical output of this motor. So it could rotate either way. But if we want everything to be smooth, we have to conceive to rotate it in this direction. So everything, the motor and everything has to work according to this rotation. Our schematics are supposed to be on this direction. And when I put it here, it is universal rotation. It doesn't matter if I look from here, it's clockwise. But if I turn the motor around and I watch the back, it's counterclockwise. So it all depends from the point you see it. If you mark one of the faces only, if you put it here on the housing, it is better, as no matter where you look at it from, you get the rotation building that we're going to be building this machine on. It cannot reverse. Okay, so we're just going to use now on my CAD diagrams, I'm using these specs because I'm looking from the brushes side and the commutator side. I'm not looking from the shaft drive side. Okay, so it is counterclockwise, the movement that we have to adopt on the CAD drawings. That doesn't mean when we look at it from the shaft drive, it is clockwise. Anyways, I wanted to make clear that all this explanation is correct. Thanks.